Welcome to PythonLinks.info, the world's largest Python directory. What problem does it solve? Well, when you do a search on Python, you end up with 190 million results. That includes snakes and Monty Python, lots of things that are optimized for SEO, but from your perspective are noise or spam. And of course, it's just a flat list of items. There's no hierarchy there. It'll take you forever to go through all those items. Python Links is a different approach. It organizes Python-related information as a tree of categories. It's a first cousin to Plone. It's built with persistent Python, ZODB, wonderful software, amazing more people don't know about it. It has multiple content types, category, link, YouTube videos. So let's take a look at Python Links. Here we have the root level of the tree. The first thing everybody needs is a database. So let's see, about PythonLinks.info, Python software, that's what we want. Pages built with Python, Python training, the Python world, that's where the jobs are. Python software, let's start there. Applications built with Python, Python frameworks, Python environment, Python libraries, that looks promising. Application building libraries, computer science libraries, data processing, database libraries, that's what we want. Persistent Python, that sounds promising. Database drivers, persistent Python sounds interesting. Alternatives to persistent Python, Duris database, Neo, ZeroDB, ZODB, that's the one we want. And we can go through the list, introduction to the ZODB, that's a good one, it's a good video. So here you have, there's a tree on the upper left-hand side, a brief description at the top, a longer description here, and the video, which we can play, but we won't play it right now. You can also search, I know how the tree is structured, but for the first timers, it's just what you do is you search on ZODB or whatever you need to find, you'll find it. And then you can click around to what other interesting items. Okay, so let's go back to the presentation. Next slide. Another interesting part is the tree of companies. So we start, again, it's organized as a tree. At the top level, we have the world. Below that is America, Europe, Asia. Below Europe would be Germany, Poland. Below Poland, Below Poland, we have Warsaw, Katowice, Wrocław. Under Katowice, we have a couple companies, including mine, Bloggery. And under Bloggery, there'd be other information, products, reviews, careers, blog, videos. So all kinds of wonderful information. Of course, people don't like to look at trees. They like to look at tables. So here's a table of companies. It's actually from PolandTrade.info. These are companies that do fintech applications inside of Poland. The green are those companies that have jobs. You can see the name of the company, a link to the company. On the right-hand column is what they specialize in. And there's other information about product reviews, their blogs, lists of products, all kinds of information on the end here. Very useful to see what companies are in your neighborhood. Typically, it's organized by country and by city. If you go to the job boards, you'll see the companies that are hiring, but what if there's a company in your neighborhood that does exactly what you want to be doing, but they're not hiring? With a table like this, it's much more useful. So these directories of information are really good for beginners because the beginners do not even know what libraries to look for. I invite you to take it for a test drive. It's very fast. Many ask if it's a native app. It's JSON data downloaded to the client, Python, ZODB, and JavaScript fancy tree libraries, scalable Nginx caching servers on top of scalable Linode servers. The other directories, PolandTrade.info is doing quite well in Poland. If you're thinking of opening an office or doing development in Poland, definitely talk to me. Here's my contact information. Just click on contact on PythonLinks.info. That's the end of this lightning talk. I have a lot more to say. If you have any questions, come and talk to me afterwards. Thank you so much. It's also a content aggregation system, brings in content from many different places, and it merges trees. Good day.